So let's start. This is CKLA Unit 1 workbook. We're going to do lesson 1.1. And the first thing we're going to do right here is write our name. My name is Ms. Smith. And we're going to start with the lowercase a. Start at the dot and follow the lines. You're going to write it exactly like I'm doing. Start at the dot, around and down. 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 Now we're going to do the uppercase A. Again, start at the dot, go down, down, and across. Start at the dot, go down, down, and across. Start at the dot, go down, down, and across. Start at the dot, go down, down, and across. Start at the dot, go down, down, and across. Start at the dot, go down, down, and across. Start at the dot, go down, down, and across. That's the uppercase A. Let's do the lowercase p. Start at the dot, come down and make a tail underneath the bottom line and go around. Start at the dot, make a tail, and go around. Start at the dot, make a tail, and go around. Start at the dot, make a tail, and go around. Start at the dot, make a tail, and go around. Start at the dot, make a tail, and go around. Start at the dot, make a tail, and go around. Start at the dot, make a tail, and go around. Start at the dot, make a tail, and go around. Let's do the uppercase P. Start at the dot, come down, and go around. Start at the dot, come down, and go around. Start at the dot, come down, and go around. Start at the dot, come down, and go around. Start at the dot, come down, and go around. Start at the dot, come down, and go around. Start at the dot, come down, and go around. Start at the dot, come down, and go around. Start at the dot, come down, and go around. Let's make a lowercase n. Start at the dot, come down, and around. 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 Let's make an uppercase N. Start at the dot, come down, down, up. I like that. I think that's fun. Start at the dot, come down, and it's down, up. Start at the dot, go straight down. Now the fun part. Down, up, and that's the uppercase N. Start at the dot, come down, go down, up, down, up. Start at the dot, come down, go down, up. Start at the dot, come down, go down, up. Start at the dot, come down, go down, up. Nice. Woo! Look at the C. The C, we're just going to go around. Start at the dot, 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 go around. Now, let's do the uppercase C. We're going to start at the dot, and we're just going to do the same thing, but make it big. There it is. Start at the dot and go around. Start at the dot and go around. start at the dot and go around, 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 start at the dot and go around. Lowercase g, we're going to make a circle and we're going to make that little tail. So we're going to make a circle and a tail, circle and a curly tail, circle and a tail, circle and a tail, circle and a tail, circle and a tail. Now we're going to do an uppercase G. We're going to go around and across, around and across, around and across. Start at that dot. We're going around. We're going to make that little part. That's the G. So we're going to go around just like the C, but we're going to come right in here. We're going to go around and right in here. Now we've done the entire page, and I think it looks good. We're going to do more practice, though, because we know very well that we have to continue practicing. So I'm going to get a different pen, and I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to practice again. I'm doing the lowercase a, and I'm practicing to get my hands ready to do all of that writing. Can you do it again too? I know you can. Right? Okay. So do the whole page again with a different pen. Get that practice. Now we're going to go ahead and do the next page. So as we look at this, yep, you can see, let's say these words. That's a can, that's a pan, nap, and cap. So when we listen to can, what does can start with? Can. That's right, it starts with C. So it's either this one or this one. Now let's listen through the word can, app, no, not that, and yes, that's what it is. Let's go ahead and write and. Now let's cross it out because we're done with that one. Pan. What does pan begin with? Pan. There it is. Pan begins with P. So we're going to write P and N, and we're going to cross it out. We're done with that. Ooh, can we look at this one right here? What do we see? Nap. Nap. Which one begins with N? Nap. There it is right there. N, a, p. We're going to cross it out. And the last one is cap. So this is the only one left. Is it cap, k, app? Yes, it is. Cross it out and write it right here. K, a, p. Can, pan, nap, cap. Ooh.